Hey, what's that?
Oh, hey, this?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Gerber. He's our skeleton that we use for class sometimes. They make these in Williamsport.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Manufacturing, there's always something new to learn with it. And what's really neat about it is you get to see your final product is something that other people get to use every day. Whether it's something for a doctor's office or roller coasters or another company gets it, it's always a product that's used somewhere else. And you know that your hands were in there to make that. And it makes you feel proud at the end of the day.
I think what's so cool about manufacturing is basically taking a customer's needs and seeing the whole process come to fruition from start to finish is probably the most unique thing I think about manufacturing.
Mistakes happen. You follow recipes, you follow directions, but mistakes happen every day, but there's not anything that can't be fixed. There's always a way to fix something one way or another, whether it's ends up being a good part, a bad part, or you have to redo it from the beginning.
I think the coolest thing about manufacturing is solving customers' problems. We don't make consumer goods like golf tees or Tupperware. Customers come to us with a very, very specific need, and it creates a challenge for all of our departments to create manufacture a final product that ultimately meets a very specific need of the customer, and I think that's pretty cool.